Finally, malapit na mag 4 p.m. Actually, 4:30 pa talaga yung uwian namin. Pero alam mo na yung feeling na countdown ka na? Like konting push na lang talaga. Today was a kind tiring, not gonna lie, work is work, you know. Pero at least natapos naman lahat ng kailangan gawin. Kaya after shift, deserve ko naman siguro ng little reward for myself. So ang plan is pumunta ako sa Arab Mall dito sa Jeddah. Wala namang super bonggang agenda. Gusto ko lang maglakad-lakad, mag-window shopping, maybe grab us some coffee or something sweet. Basta yung makapag-unwind lang after a long day. Minsan kasi hindi mo na naman kailangan ng malaking dahilan para makapag-relax. Kahit sa simpleng solo time lang, ang sarap din sa feeling. Parang reset button bago ulit humarap sa panibagong workday. And honestly, I enjoy these quiet moments. Walang pressure, walang schedule, just me. Good vibes, aircon, and a little bit of retail therapy. Kahit window shopping lang, okay na. Ang dami ring stores na pwedeng ikutin, so hindi ka talaga mabubore. Tapos, syempre, ang dami rin kainan dito. As in, iba't ibang choices from coffee shops, burgers, Asian food, hanggang mga Arabic restaurants. Parang kahit anong cravings mo, may mahanap ka. For now, iikot muna ako, tingin-tingin lang, then baka later mag-decide kung kakain ba o magkakape lang. Basta ang goal today is simple. Relax, recharge, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Okay guys, samahan nyo muna akong mag-ikot-ikot. Let's see kung anong pang makikita natin dito sa Arab Mall.